How to make or create Garena account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or create Garena account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your browser, and on your browser you want to head into garena.com. Now you can simply type in at the search bar garena.com, or you can simply search for Garena like I have done so on the screen, and then you'll get the very first link there, Garena. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, and once this page opens up, you can see I'm on garena.sc. This is the Singapore region. So here what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the right hand side of the screen. Once here, you want to tap on the option that says account. Now you can see the second last option that says account. You want to tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, it'll take you to the login page. Now here, if you already have an account, you can simply log in, but in case you want to create a new account, you want to simply tap on register a new account. Once you do so here, you can simply enter in your username that you want to set for your account, then your password. Then re-enter the password, and you want to type in the email address that you want to link your account with. So simply type in your email address here, then tap on register now. You can choose the reason as well, as you can see here. So once you choose the reason and such, linking your mobile number is optional. Simply tap on register now, and it'll send a confirmation code to your email. You want to enter in the email code and confirm the registration. So this is how you can create a Garena account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.